Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just a Tip. In today's tool review, we're going to be talking about the Stomp Shear. This is a vintage Stomp Shear. This is the big one. This is a 52 inch. I really like this one because you could put a 48 inch, full sheet. Typically sheets come 4x8. You can slide a nice big sheet in there in order to cut it. A lot of smaller ones are like 30 inch, 36 inch, so you still have to cut your metal in order to cut your metal, so I thought that was kind of silly. This is a pretty cool unit, vintage unit. I looked it up. I think it's from like 30s or 40s. It came out of a high school that was used for sheet metal. Anyway, I'll show you how to use it. Pretty simple. It uses a shear here to chop it, and it works really good. Makes nice straight cuts, on your sheet metal. This one's limited to about 16 gauge on steel and probably like 090 on aluminum, but primarily I use 18 gauge steel for any sheet metal parts. So just give you a quick rundown on how we do it. Go. Nice cuts. Well, that about wraps that up, so thanks for watching.